Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for booking.com. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To reset your booking.com account's password if you've forgotten your login details, first, open up your booking.com application. Tap the sign in button at the bottom right hand corner to end up in the sign in area. Tap sign in one more time, and in the login area, choose one of the options from where you'd like to log into your account. Since we are resetting our password in today's video, let me tap on sign in with email, and now enter the email address associated with your booking.com account into the text box on the next page. Once you do that, tap continue. On the next page, you'll need to enter your password. If you remember your password during the process, you can type it into the password text box, but if you don't remember it, simply tap on forgot your password link. Now, enter your email address one more time into the text box. Make sure to enter the same email address that you signed up with for booking.com. Once you enter the email address, tap send reset link, and you'll receive an email instruction that can help you reset your password on your email address. Open up your email service provider and you'll receive an inbox from booking.com. Tap to open and tap on the reset password link displayed on the screen. You'll get to choose a new password for your booking.com account on the next page. Type in your new password in the first text box. Make sure that your passwords meet these criteria as displayed right beneath. Now confirm your password in the last text box as well and tap on reset password. And that way you'll be able to get access to your account back again and your password has been reset to something else. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new password that you just reset to. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.